Hey folks, got a USB drive that needs formatting? No worries, I'm here to help you get it done quickly and easily. First things first, plug your USB drive into your computer. Once it's connected, open up File Explorer. You'll see your USB drive listed under This PC on the left sidebar. Right-click on it and select Format. A new window will pop up with several options. Here's a quick rundown. Choose NTFS if you're only using the drive with Windows. Pick exFAT if you want compatibility with both Windows and Mac. Just leave this as default. You can name your drive whatever you want here. Make sure this box is checked for a faster process. All set? Great! Now hit Start. A warning will pop up, reminding you that formatting will erase all data on the drive. Make sure you've backed up anything important. If you're good to go, click OK. The formatting process will only take a few moments. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message. Hit OK again, and you're all set. Your USB drive is now formatted and ready to use. Easy, right? If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.